Hey everyone, welcome back to Try Tech AB. If you love tech, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about an exciting new addition to Samsung's Galaxy S25 lineup, the Galaxy S25 Slim. Now, Samsung has done something interesting this year by introducing a slim version. But what does that actually mean? And how does it come pixelaire to the S25 Ultra and S25 Plus? Well, we're breaking down everything we know so far, from its camera system to price and availability. So let's get started. Let's start with one of the biggest selling points of the Galaxy S25 Slim, the camera system. This phone comes with two powerful sensors, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom sensor, which promises sharp details, vibrant colors, and a megapixel-roved low-light performance. But here's where things get interesting. The telephoto lens uses Samsung's all-lenses-on prism ALOP design. Now, if you've never heard of ALOP before, here's the deal. Traditionally, telephoto cameras need extra space because of their megapixel zoom mechanisms. But with ALOP technology, Samsung has managed to shrink the space required for the lens, making it perfect for a slim device like the S25 Slim. However, there's one major difference pixelaire to the S25 Ultra. The Slim version doesn't get a second telephoto camera. That means no 10x optical zoom like on the Ultra, but for most users, 3.5x zoom is still quite a megapixel-resive for everyday photography. Now, let's talk about the design. As the name suggests, the S25 Slim is expected to be thinner and lighter than the standard S25 and S25 Plus. But how much thinner? Well, that's still under wraps. However, based on leaks, we can expect a sleek build, a premium glass back, and possibly even a titanium frame, just like the Ultra. The display? Samsung is known for its high refresh rate AMOLED panels, and we're expecting at least a 6.6-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display on the Slim. But here's the real question. Will Samsung sacrifice battery life for a slimmer design? Will we see any cooling system a megapixel rovements? And how will it come pixelaire to the S25 Plus in terms of performance? These are the things we'll only know once Samsung makes it official. Now, here's what everyone wants to know. How much will the S25 Slim cost? And when can you buy it? While pricing is still unknown, here's a rough estimate based on Samsung's past pricing trends. The S25 Ultra will be the most expensive. The S25 Plus will sit in the middle. And the S25 Slim will likely be cheaper than the Ultra, but more expensive than the Plus. That puts it somewhere in the $999 to $1,199 range. As for availability, don't expect it anytime soon. Leaks suggest the S25 Slim won't launch until Q2 of this year, even though it may be announced at Samsung's Unpacked event on January 22nd. That means while we might get a first look soon, the phone itself won't hit stores for a few months. So, if you're considering getting this phone, you'll have to be a little patient. So what do we think about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Slim? Pros: sleek and lightweight design. Powerful 50-megapixel cameras with ALOP zoom tech. Flagship-level performance. Cons: no second telephoto lens like the Ultra. Uncertain battery capacity. Late release date. With Samsung keeping things tightly under wraps, we're excited to see what surprises the Unpacked event will bring. And of course, as soon as we get official details, I'll be covering it right here on TriTech AB. So, what do you think? Is the S25 Slim worth waiting for? Or would you rather go for the S25 Ultra or S25 Plus? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my full hands-on review when this phone finally drops. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.